a day in my life.
This is our ballistic laboratory room. Why are you most excited to try this laboratory?
The comparison of microscope because of its wide magnification range and different illumination modes, this microscope can do many jobs.
What skills do you expect to gain from this lab?
I expect to gain practical skills such as observation, evidence handling, proper documentation, and analytical thinking. I also hope to improve my problem-solving ability skills.
How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career?
These skills will help me build a strong foundation for my criminology journey by preparing me for fieldwork, research, and investigations in the future.